If you're planning to sell your house, you may be wondering what work should you do before you list it. Here's a few outdoor projects that you may want to consider, and that will give you the best return on your investment and help your house make a good first impression. Things like lawn care services that make the yard look good, landscape upgrades, outdoor kitchens, and a new patio or deck generally have the best ROI. But keep in mind, it all depends on our local market trends. That's why it's important for us to work together before you start on any projects so that you know which updates have the biggest impact in our area. I know that buyers are looking for, and I know how to highlight the upgrades you make so your listing stands out. Let's chat so I can help you figure out what to focus on. I'm Jennifer Dorn, your agent for the people. Let's connect.